1 Minute Italian, Lesson 1.
Ciao, my name is Gianluca.
And my name is Lorraine. We'd like to welcome you to this course from the Radiolingua Network. During this course, we're going to be teaching you the absolute basics of Italian. In each lesson, we'll spend roughly 1 minute learning the language, and then you'll have time to go over what you've learned.
Italian is a language spoken by around 55 million people in Italy and another 6 million in other parts of the world. It's also one of the 4 official languages of Switzerland. Italian comes from the same language family as French, Spanish, and Portuguese. So, if you speak any of these languages, you'll understand lots of Italian words.
1 Minute Italian is an introductory course, and we won't be teaching you everything you need to know. But the most important thing is that if you listen to our 10 lessons, you'll really be able to communicate with Italian-speaking people. It's very easy to learn Italian, and we hope you enjoy these lessons.
The clock is ticking.
So let's get learning. Your 1 minute language lesson starts now. In this first lesson, we're going to learn to say hello and goodbye, 2 very important words in any situation. To say hello, you say
Ciao.
Listen to this again.
Ciao.
Try saying it after Gianluca.
Ciao.
Now let's learn how to say goodbye in Italian. In fact, you can actually use the word ciao to say goodbye too. However, the more natural way to say goodbye is
Arrivederci.
Listen again to how Gianluca pronounces this.
Arrivederci.
Try it one more time. Can we hear it again, Gianluca?
Arrivederci.
Well done. Let's go over these phrases one more time. It's important to practice the new words and phrases in each lesson as often as possible. Try these one more time with Gianluca.
Ciao. Arrivederci. Time's up. Well done.
That's all for this programme of 1 Minute Italian. We'd suggest that you listen again just to get used to the sounds of the language and to make sure the words really stick in your head. Join us again soon for more Italian. In the meantime, goodbye, or as you can now say in Italian,
Arrivederci.
This is a production of the Radiolingua Network. Find out more at radiolingua.com.